Today we'll look at how to find the free body loads across a welded joint. Here we have a linear static solution consisting of shell elements where we have a fixed constraint on a few of the edges of the plate on the bottom and a load on the rectangular tube on the top that is normal to the face and has a magnitude of 1 pound. Now I've already solved this solution. We'll go ahead and open up our grid point force results, which we may need to select as an output request for our solution. We'll need to make sure we've got that to be able to run our free body load result. So here, let's do that. First we'll select all of the elements on one side of the weld. And it really doesn't matter if we have too many elements, as long as we only have the elements on one side of the weld. That's what's important. And then we'll select the nodes on the weld joint. So here we'll use the feature edge to select that. And next we can select a location to sum the moments about. And here I'm after the force display as being magnitude as opposed to components because my orientation is a little bit offset. But here you can see that the magnitude of the load is equal to 1 pound through that welded joint. And that's how to find the free body loads across a welded joint.